Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I'll talk about Simple NUC 14 Essential Mini Canyon Mini PC. So friends, Simple NUC has announced NUC 14 Essential Mini Canyon designed to deliver powerful and affordable performance for everyday computing needs and whether used in retail kiosk, collaborative workspace, streaming environment, and digital signage, the Mill Canyon NUC offers the flexible and reliable requirement for modern application, and it's powered by Intel latest N series processor with twin lag technology, offering a range of options ensuring top-tier performance across various workloads. And the mini PC delivers the performance needed for day-to-day operation without breaking the budget and featuring 8-core Intel Core 3 processor with 16 GB DDR5 memory and support for up to 8 TB of NVMe and 2 TB of SATA storage. In terms of connectivity, it will install M.2 Intel Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 Gb LAN port, ensuring lightning fast file transfer and across to the cloud. And the system also supports Bluetooth 5.3, making pairing the multiple wireless peripherals easy. And Mini Canyon support 3 display via HDMI and DisplayPort for visual output and delivering 4K resolution to delivering crisp, vibrant visual, perfect for any environment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.